Okay, well the county guy showed up with his shit. He can probably do a lot better pulling him out than I can. So just leave him be. And there's people still. There's a hair dye place over there that people are still coming into. You gotta be kidding me. Don't want to get your hair dyed on a day like this. But so yeah, this is a main fucking road. And I know they just went down this probably 20 minutes ago, and it's already drifting back up, and it's all shitty again. So I don't even know if I dare try to get this road. Nope, not even gonna happen. There's no fucking way. I guess I could have made it, but I'll stick to main roads, I guess. Even though I'd rather use the 4-wheel drive. Well, I already am, but no sense in making extra work for these emergency crews. There's people are gonna need a lot more help than I'm gonna need. So I'm too awake now to go back to sleep, which sucks. But I don't know. We'll see what the hell I come up with for the rest of the day. Probably drinking. Definitely got some supplies for the day. No work, no class. Central Michigan's closed, so no classes for me. And today's the day I have class till like 9:30 at night. So I'm more than happy to not have to go to fucking class. That's for sure. All right. Well, it's gonna be the same old shit over and over again if I keep recording something. So I will stop this until I come up with something better. Ah, that's a beautiful flag right there. That's a beautiful flag.